Are you struggling with Jest and wondering how to change the output of a manual mock for different tests? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many developers face when working with Jest. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when your tests don't behave as expected, especially when you're trying to mock values for different scenarios. This is a common challenge, and I'm here to help you navigate through it. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to change the value of iOS in their Jest tests after the first test runs. They want to switch from true to false for the second test. Sound familiar? Let's find a solution together. So what's happening here? When you mock a module in Jest, it retains the same mock value throughout the test suite unless you explicitly change it. This can lead to confusion when you want different behaviors in different tests. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will make your Jest testing even smoother. You won't want to miss it. To change the output of the manual mock for different tests, the user should first ensure that the mock is set up correctly. This involves creating a mock for the platform constants that can be modified during the tests. Next, the user should import the necessary functions and variables from the mock in the test file. This allows the user to manipulate the mock's behavior between tests. Now, the user can set the value of iOS before each test. This can be done by calling the setIOS function with the desired value, ensuring that the mock reflects the correct state for each test case. Finally, the user should run the tests to verify that the changes to iOS are reflected correctly in the output of my function. This will ensure that the tests behave as expected. Fun fact, did you know that Jest was created by Facebook? It's now one of the most popular testing frameworks in the JavaScript community, and for good reason. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user is to use jest.reset modules within a before each call in your describe block. This allows you to reset the module state before each test, enabling you to change the output of your manual mock for different tests. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always remember to reset your mocks between tests using jest.resetAllMocks. This ensures that your tests are isolated and won't interfere with each other. And there you have it. You should now be able to change the output of your manual mocks in Jest for different tests. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips and tricks on testing.